Today's video is brought to you by Oxido LED lighting. You might think that you can see just fine at night. Well, I did too, until I did this little upgrade. As you can see from this footage, here is some before Oxido LED lighting, and here is some after Oxido LED lighting. The difference is amazing. With high brightness and easy installation, Oxido LED lighting is definitely the route for you. They're easy to install, and they're available for all makes and models. Click on the link in the description below and enter promo code 612motorsports at checkout to get yourself 15% off. Now back to our video. Hello and welcome back to another episode of 612 Motorsports. In today's episode we're going to be working on the S-10 Extreme. And I'm kind of excited about it. Now that spring is here, we're kind of doing a few more things to this, kind of getting it ready. And I'm more than a little excited to get this thing on the road. Unfortunately, with the DMVs and stuff being closed due to the uncertain times that we're facing right now, there's no better time than now to take care of some of this stuff so that it's all ready to go. Before we get too far into today's episode, I'd like to encourage you all to go ahead and hit that subscription button, the notification bell, leave a comment below letting me know what you think, and give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. All of that stuff is super helpful, more than you guys will ever know, and it is deeply appreciated. Let's get on to today's video. What I'm going to be working on or replacing today is this dash vent. You can see it's perfect all the way across till you get to the end, and then it's busted up. It's broken in a few places, and I hope nothing fell down in the defroster. Now, I haven't heard anything when I turn the vent on, but you never know. I'm not really certain how to get all this out, but we're gonna learn together. And I know it's pretty common, so if you guys have this problem, maybe this video will help you out. I believe it's from heat and things just getting hot and then cold and then hot and then it cracking. Somebody sitting, people put crap up on the dash and they break. As you can see, there's a few humps in the, I don't know how well it's going to show up. There's a few little lifts in the pad here and over here and kind of over here. So at some point you can tell that the dash got pretty hot and the glue kind of released itself. But we're going to concern ourselves with this vent for now. And if this stuff here gets any worse, we'll address that at another time. But let's see what we got to do to get this out. I'm hoping it's just kind of snapped in. It kind of feels like it'll give. If not, we got to break it out. I'm going to go ahead and put you guys on the tripod and get going on this. Okay, so I think our best, well, that's first time I've touched it, so it was a little easier than I thought. So it looks like there's just a couple of these clips, but with it being broken, I'm hoping that we won't need to worry about the clips. This would be a lot easier if the windshield wasn't involved. Oh, I guess we're just going to take it out piece by piece. I dropped one, but I could see it in the reflection of the windshield. So, we just got this corner to get out. So as you can see, here's a side view of how it's like clipped in. And make sure we get all of our pieces out. Like I said, we don't want anything rattling around when we turn on our vents. So we're gonna get all of the pieces out of the way. Okay, so that's the vent cleaned out. These are the areas where the clips go in, and I imagine there's one here as I'm using the screen to see, but you got your spots there. Now, I was fortunate enough to get a hold of my good friends at Rock Auto, and they went ahead and sent me out a new one. So we're gonna crack this thing open, and hopefully this just snaps in nice and easily, and that little project is taken care of. Well, it's the next day, and unfortunately I had a little bit of bad luck. I did get the project completed, but when I went to take the video off the SD card to put into my computer, something happened and it told me I had some files corrupted. Unfortunately, I lost the ending of the video, so I'm sorry for what you're about to see, but it is the next day, and I'm just going to kind of show you what it looks like now. I don't even know if I should put this video out, but I'm going to anyway, just because I started it. It's a before and an after, and maybe it'll help somebody out. So the only thing you really missed was me opening the box, examining the part, making sure it wasn't broken or anything, which it wasn't, and everything was intact, and then me snapping it into place. All of that literally took about 6 minutes from opening the box to having it in. So I'm going to show you what it looks like now. All brand new, nothing broke, fits like a glove, color matches, looks a little funny through my lens, but it is the same color, so there's nothing to worry about there. And once again, I do apologize for some missing footage, but I think you'll get the idea. It just snapped right in nice, so no real tools needed at that point. If you already got it broken and in pieces, you saw how I got it out. No tools necessary, none needed to put it in either. But something that simple can save you some headaches later on. Well, that's going to do it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. And as always, stay positive, work hard, and make it happen.